Fresh air is so rare in cities that we have to go to villages or hill stations to breathe in fresh air. Do you know that many of the sources of air pollution are actually created by humans? Let's have a look at the sources causing suffocation on Earth,
showing man-made sources of air pollution. Cockroach, mosquito, or any insect repellent sprays are poisonous and pollute air up to some extent. Aerosol sprays, like perfume sprays, may use volatile chemicals based on CFCs or chlorofluorocarbons. CFCs are harmful for the ozone layer in the upper atmosphere, as fluorine in it depletes the ozone layer.
Spraying pesticides on the crops causes air pollution. DDT, a commonly used pesticide, was used extensively in the 70s and 80s and is now banned because it causes air and water pollution. Smoking causes air pollution and is extremely harmful for your body as well. Automobile exhaust is one of the biggest sources of air pollution created by humans. Level of gases like nitrogen monoxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, hydrocarbons, and lead is increasing in the air due to the increased number of automobiles. Forest fire can be an accident and may be a source of air pollution. When trees and grass become dry, during summers they can catch fire easily. Villagers living in the forest can start this fire by mistake. Sometimes fires are started to clear the land. Ships running on diesel and petrol pollute the air in the same way as automobiles. Refineries, chemical factories, and industries are the biggest man-made sources of air pollution.